Welcome to JiggyVerse. Today, we've got something special for you. We're going to demystify Lean Six Sigma in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. So, buckle up because we're about to embark on a fast-paced journey towards process improvement mastery. Alright, let's jump right in. What is Lean Six Sigma? Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology used to improve processes and eliminate defects or inefficiencies. It's like a superhero for businesses, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and customer-focused. Now, let's break it down into its key principles. First, we have Lean. This is all about minimizing waste. Think of it as decluttering your processes. Remove anything that doesn't add value. Next up, Six Sigma. This focuses on reducing variation and ensuring your processes operate within tight tolerances. Fewer errors, happier customers. Six Sigma principle existed from very long, then Lean principle got integrated with Six Sigma, which resulted in Lean Six Sigma. Now we will look into evolution of Six Sigma. The evolution of Six Sigma is a fascinating journey that has spanned several decades and evolved through various phases. Here's a brief overview of the key milestones in the evolution of Six Sigma. 1950s to 1960s, origins in quality control. Six Sigma's roots can be traced back to the post-World War II era when companies like Motorola began focusing on quality control and statistical methods to improve their manufacturing processes. Statistical methods, including control charts and sampling techniques, were the early foundations of what would later become Six Sigma. 1980s, birth of the Six Sigma concept. The term Six Sigma was coined at Motorola in the early 1980s by engineer Bill Smith. Motorola's goal was to achieve a level of quality where there were fewer than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, DPMO. Motorola developed the Six Sigma methodology as a data-driven approach to reduce defects and improve quality. 1990s, spread to other companies. In the 1990s, Six Sigma gained popularity and was adopted by other major companies, including General Electric under the leadership of Jack Welch. Welch's commitment to Six Sigma helped popularize it as a business strategy focused on process improvement, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. 2000s, integration with Lean. The 2000s saw the integration of Six Sigma with Lean principles, giving rise to the term Lean Six Sigma. This integration combined Six Sigma's focus on quality with Lean's emphasis on waste reduction and efficiency, creating a more holistic approach to process improvement. 2010s present, expansion beyond manufacturing. In the 2010s and beyond, Six Sigma continued to evolve and expand beyond its manufacturing origins. It found applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, IT, and services. Certification programs and training for Lean Six Sigma practitioners became more widely available, leading to a growing community of professionals with expertise in the methodology. Current trends, digital transformation and data analytics. Today, Six Sigma is adapting to the digital age, incorporating advanced data analytics, automation, and artificial intelligence to enhance process improvement efforts. Six Sigma practitioners are leveraging big data and real-time analytics to identify and address issues in real time, further improving the methodology's effectiveness. Throughout its evolution, Six Sigma has proven to be a flexible and enduring methodology for organizations seeking to achieve excellence in their processes. Its focus on data-driven decision-making, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement remains relevant in today's business landscape. Now let's look into contributions of quality gurus. Quality gurus are individuals who have made significant contributions to the field of quality management and have played a crucial role in shaping the principles and practices of quality control and improvement. These gurus have developed various philosophies, methodologies, and tools that have been widely adopted by organizations to enhance their product and service quality. Here are some of the most prominent quality gurus. 1. W. Edwards Deming, 1900 to 1993, key contributions. Deming is perhaps the most influential figure in quality management. He introduced statistical methods for quality improvement during World War II and later emphasized the importance of management's role in quality. Deming's famous 14 points for management laid the foundation for total quality management, TQM, principles. Deming's cycle. He introduced the Plan do Check Act, PDCA, cycle, also known as the Deming cycle or Deming wheel, as a framework for continuous improvement. Legacy. Deming's work profoundly impacted Japanese manufacturing and played a vital role in Japan's post-war economic resurgence. His teachings led to the development of the Toyota production system and the concept of Kaizen, continuous improvement. 2. Joseph M. Uran, 1904–2008, Key Contributions. Uran focused on the human aspect of quality management. He emphasized the need for top management involvement in quality, the importance of setting quality goals, and the need for employee training in quality. Uran Trilogy. His Uran Trilogy comprises quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. This framework provided a structured approach to managing quality. Legacy. Uran's work had a significant impact on quality management in the United States. He contributed to the development of the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award and served as an advisor to numerous organizations worldwide. 3. Philip B. Crosby, 1926–2001, Key Contributions. Crosby is known for his zero defects philosophy, which advocated getting things right the first time. He believed that quality issues result from defects and can be eliminated through prevention. Quality is free. His book, Quality is Free, highlighted the idea that investing in quality improvement is cost-effective and leads to substantial savings in the long run. Legacy. Crosby's emphasis on prevention and the cost of quality influenced many organizations to adopt zero-defect programs and quality improvement initiatives. 4. Kaoru Ishikawa, 1915–1989. Key Contributions. Ishikawa is renowned for his contributions to total quality management, TQM, and his development of the Ishikawa diagram, also known as the fishbone or cause and effect diagram. This tool aids in identifying root causes of problems. Quality circles. Ishikawa promoted the concept of quality circles, where small groups of employees collaborate to solve quality-related issues. Legacy. Ishikawa's emphasis on employee involvement and his tools for problem-solving remain fundamental in quality management. 5. Genichi Taguchi, 1924–2012. Key Contributions. Taguchi is known for his robust design methods, which aim to create products and processes that are less sensitive to variation. He developed the Taguchi loss function to quantify the cost of deviations from the target. Quality improvement. Taguchi's methods emphasize reducing variation and improving quality by controlling the factors that affect processes and products. Legacy. Taguchi's approach to robust design and his methods for optimizing quality continue to influence industries like manufacturing and engineering. 6. Shigeo Shingo, 1909–1990. Key Contributions. Shingo played a vital role in the development of the Toyota production system, TPS, and lean manufacturing. He introduced concepts such as single-minute exchange of die, SMED, and pokayoke, error-proofing, to eliminate waste and defects. SMED focuses on reducing setup times in manufacturing processes, enabling quicker changeovers and increased efficiency. Legacy. Shingo's work forms the basis of lean manufacturing, which has been widely adopted in various industries to minimize waste and improve productivity. 7. Armand V. Feigenbaum, 1922–2014. Key Contributions. Feigenbaum is known for his work on total quality control, TQC, and the concept of total quality. He emphasized that quality should not be a departmental function but should be integrated into all aspects of an organization. Total quality control, TQC. Feigenbaum's TQC philosophy stressed the importance of a company-wide commitment to quality, involving every employee. Legacy. Feigenbaum's ideas laid the groundwork for the development of total quality management, TQM, as a holistic approach to quality improvement in organizations. 8. H. James Harrington, born 1929. Key contributions. Harrington is a prolific author, consultant, and thought leader in the field of quality management. He has contributed to various aspects of quality, including business process improvement, performance measurement, and quality management systems. Books and publications. Harrington has authored numerous books, including Business Process Improvement, Total Improvement Management, and Performance Improvement Methods. Legacy. Harrington's writings and consulting work have provided practical insights into improving business processes and overall organizational performance. 9. John C. Shewhart, 1891–1967. Key contributions. Shewhart is often credited with pioneering statistical process control, SPC, and the development of control charts. His work laid the foundation for modern quality control methods. Control charts. Shewhart's development of control charts, also known as Shewhart charts or process behavior charts, allowed for the monitoring and control of processes using statistical methods. Legacy. Shewhart's contributions are fundamental to the practice of quality control and have been widely adopted in industries to monitor and improve processes. Other topics will be continued on next part.